also the IB Masters Learning Center on IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 15th question, sample question from this new digital released SAT. And number 15 reads, the density of a certain type of wood is 353 kilometers per cubic meter. A sample of this type of wood is in the shape of a cube and has a mass of 345 kilograms. To the nearest hundredth of a meter, what is the length of one edge of this sample? So what we've got here is a little stoichiometry, and once you get it in your head and you set it up, it's not that bad. So it's asking for the length of an edge. What's the length of an edge? It's a length. So what do? When we look at our measurements here, we've got kilograms. That's not a length. Cubic meters. Well, meters is a length. And then we've got kilograms again. So for setting up stoichiometry, and don't worry if you don't know that crazy word. This is when you cross out units. You've done this in chem or physics class. What we need is meters on top. So what we've got is we've got meters cubed. So we're going to put that on top. And on the bottom, we're going to put 353 kilograms. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that by 345 kilograms. And then what I'm going to get, the kilograms cancel, and I get meters cubed. And when I use my handy dandy high-tech calculator down here, what I wind up with is I'll write it first, 345 over 353, and that's meters cubed. So I'm not done yet after I divide this. So hang on to your seats. So we're going to go 345 divided by 353, and we get this crazy 0.977 blah 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 blah. So we divided that out. This is in meters cubed, but in order to get plain old meters, I've got to take the cubed root of it. So what times itself 3 times? It's going to give you 0.977. And you can imagine it's got to be a little bit bigger. So I'm looking at 0.98, I'm looking at 0.99. So my thought is, if you multiply by something a little bit smaller than 1, then it's going to make the value smaller. The 0.98 is going to be the answer choice that the test makers give you if you do not take the cubed root. So my prediction is going to be 0.99. Let's consult our calculator though. You should still always plug this in. And I can't see these buttons, so I put this on. I see I've got my square root there, but I don't have my cube root there. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to do 0.99 times 0.99 times 0.99. And what do I get? I get 0.970. Let's say if I do 0.98, I'm going to get a value that's even smaller. So I'm going to choose 0.99. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who doesn't know stoichiometry, or maybe just forgot to take the cubed root here. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.